Enhance your product search capabilities by setting up EAN on Admin Product Search. Click WooCommerce. Click Settings. Click EAN. Click General. Click Admin Product Search. Enable EAN search in the admin area. Click Ajax Search. Enable EAN and Ajax search. Activate Admin Products List column. Add EAN column to Admin Products List. Add and validate EAN column. Select the Admin Product Duplicate option. Show field at Admin Products List. Confirm addition of EAN column. In Products tab you can view the EAN number. You can sort it as well. Thanks for watching this video.